Hello guys, it's Abby again from Kisasa Home, and I'm yet again with a very awesome outdoor device. So I'm going to show you a review of this one. It's called a scooter. It's for kids and it's so colorful. So I'm going to show you how it functions and every part and everything. So guys, there is this light blue one, but there is also a pink one. So we're going to see how it looks like. So that is the scooter today that you are doing a review of. So I'll set it up and show you how to use it. So first, as you can see, it has 3 wheels. So the normal scooter that you know of has 2 wheels, but this one has 3 because it's for kids. It has to be a bit stable, so that is why it has 3 wheels. So in these wheels, you can see there is some lights here. They are the LED lights. So these ones provide some light in case there is no light when the kid is riding on it or whatsoever for decoration purposes. You can see there is a knob here. We are going to press it and unlock the handlebar. So what you do, you press inside. So that is how you unlock it. So as you can see, the handlebar is short, but it is adjustable. So what you do, there is a tiny metal in here. So what you do, there are some holes here. All you do, you press it in and then you raise the handlebar a bit. It locks itself like that. So it is not so hard to adjust the height of it. So you can see here there is this plastic here. So this one basically is for joining these 2 parts here. As you can see, there is a joint. So this one basically is there for even safety purposes. So this scooter holds a range of 40 kilograms, and it is used by children who are at the age of 2 years to 13 years. The handles are specifically made for children. As you can see, there is some star prints on it, and it has this non-slip. So there is an anti-slip wide deck here for safety purposes. The kid can't fall off. It's not easy to slip because it's wide. And again, I say the 3 wheels are for stability. So when riding this scooter, the wheels automatically produce some light. So as I said, the lights are for decoration purposes. So I said it is an outdoor device. It is used outside but on smooth surfaces. Were it not for how I was heavy, I would have shown you how it functions. But guys, these are for kids. So make sure you buy some for your kids. So I've said there is the pink and the blue, and they are available in our website at kisasahome.co.ke. They are available at an affordable price. So guys, make sure you buy one for your child. If you don't have a child, you can also buy one for the upcoming child. So if you have a product at home and you feel like you don't have any information about, you can request and I'll do a review for you. And remember to subscribe, guys. So until next time, guys, bye.